It was actually Dr. Ashley, her pediatric urologist. When I was 15 weeks pregnant, the ultrasound showed that there was something wrong with Zoelli's kidneys. Every time I would go in to get an ultrasound, another possible diagnosis. And to some degree, each one was worse than the last. And so, we weren't sure if, when she was born, there was a possibility with what they were seeing that she would have to be medevaced for a surgery within the first couple hours of life. It was a huge shock. If it wasn't for TMC, my daughter wouldn't be here. She was extremely septic at 5 weeks. And even in the first 3 days of getting antibiotics when she was in here, she was not getting better. I mean, really through both TMC and Dr. Ashley, who's here, who luckily came to Tucson about 6 months before Zoelli was born. He's the only pediatric urologist in Tucson. Previous to that, all of these babies had to go up to Phoenix. He had the idea that there was possibly infection that was trapped in some of her special anatomical parts, and it was a thought that he had. It wasn't anything that tests could have proven, so he had to do an exploratory surgery, and there was a large amount of infection trapped, and no amount of antibiotics would have cleared that out. And so him going in, despite the fact that she was septic and despite the fact that she was so tiny, and doing that surgery that was a risk, was literally what saved her life. The first time your baby goes into surgery, you think about odd things like she's going to have an incision, she's going to have a scar on her body, and it's this perfect little body that has, from the outside, it has nothing wrong with it. There's not. And I even remember my oldest when she first scraped her knee and had her first little scar on her knee, and you think there's this perfect untouched body that just had its first mark from the world. Knowing Dr. Ashley he's not only an amazing physician and surgeon, he's a really beautiful person. One of the best memories I have was going in for the checkup after the big surgery. And I went in and he came into the room and he kind of glanced at me and he turns, immediately to Zoelli and locks onto her. And he said, "Mama, give her to me." And so I handed her over and he walked out of the room and just walked around the office with her held onto his chest and was just whispering to her and just saying, "I'm so happy that you're better, baby. I'm so happy that you're doing well." I had someone talking to me early on, and they said that these babies that have these issues and that have hospitalizations, that there's something different about them. There's always something different about their personality and something in them that you don't see in other kids, and I can completely agree. You totally see something in them. When we found out she had issues, we were looking for a name, and we chose Zoe because it meant life, and we figured we were going to give her all the help she could possibly get, and so yeah, she's amazing. She's a really, really, really special kid.